Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through the steps to import your Google contacts directly to your iPhone. If you've switched phones or just need to sync your Google contacts to your Apple device, this quick tutorial will help you set everything up smoothly. As you can see, right now I don't have any contacts on this iPhone, so let's go through how to import them step by step. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Then tap on Contacts in the list. Then Contacts Accounts. Now tap on Add Account. From the options that appear, choose Google. This will allow you to sign in with your Google account and sync your contacts. Enter your Google account credentials to log in. Tap on Select All. Scroll down and tap on Continue. Once you're logged in, you'll see various options for syncing data from your Google account to your iPhone. Make sure the Contacts option is toggled on. This is crucial as it allows your iPhone to sync all contacts from your Google account. Once you've enabled, tap Save to confirm. After saving, exit Settings and go to the Contacts app on your iPhone. Your contacts should now start to appear within a few moments, and there you have it, your Google contacts are now successfully imported to your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future updates. If you have questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy your day. Bye for now.